okay, I just got the email! What if they sell out super duper fast?
Positive thinking, but don't worry about it. I'm not gonna sell it that fast.
You don't think so?
47. They're all coming.
What?
10 purchased.
48. Oh my god! 10 people already bought them. 48 active cards, Dad! 93 active cards. Never seen this before.
All in 6 minutes. Wow.
Never seen 100 active carts.
Take a picture. Mediums. Out of larges. For green, we have 3 left for gray, large. Out of stock for extra large completely. Out of stock for 2XL completely.
That's excellent, you guys.
Your stuff is too expensive. Okay, so don't buy it. I could get something really similar at this other place for way less. Hey, you're welcome to do that, no problem. You don't understand. I'm not going to buy it from you because it's way too expensive.
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait 1,000,000 more for you.
First, my mom cuts all the fabric, and I mean all of the fabric. And then I sew in the XXL fabric tags. And my mom is right beside me cutting. And I usually batch sew one step all at once to save time. And then the elastic. I put all the elastic through. I triple knot it to make sure it's super secure. So the last sewing step would be to sew the hole closed. So you have to use a matching color thread for this last step. This is probably my favorite part because it finishes off the stitch. But there's one more thread to cut, and my dad comes to save the day. And he staples all the paper tags onto each XXL scrunchie. So it's time to update my inventory on my site. This is a story I created for my Instagram to let my customers know. And I also created an email campaign. And yeah, that's how we restock.
I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it. I want it, I made it.
This is just a quick PSA. This is your friendly reminder to not spam like content creators. When you do, it harms our watch time, which hurts us in the end. If you want to support us, then follow us. And
hey guys, this is the making of Love Spell. You'll notice that I'm mixing in a new container. I have decided from here on out I will start making double batches every time I make a loaf of soap, because making one loaf at a time just is not working. It's not fast enough, I'm not putting enough product out, and I'm selling out way too fast. I want to get to a place where I'm not selling out every time so that everybody has a chance to get a bar that they want. So please be patient with me. I am working as fast as my little body can move, and I have also ordered 2 new molds. So I will start being able to process at least 5 loaves of soap a day. And then I can also make an additional 2 frosted loaves every day. So 7 loaves of soap in a day is not that bad. It's a lot of work, but I think I can do it. So fingers crossed. Bye guys.
Did you know that it's not healthy to wear makeup every single day? Foundation will age.
Hi babies, she's right. That's why I created a foundation that has SPF 50, skincare, and anti-aging. SahiCosmetics.com. I'll personally match your shade myself.
It's about to...
In the middle of COVID, my sister and I decided that we wanted to launch our own online business. We knew we wanted to have really great packaging, so we started brainstorming different websites we could use. Canva was a really good website that we used to create all of our designs. And we were able to upload our designs onto Vistaprint, and we placed a couple of different orders. And these are how our thank you cards came out. We ended up only paying around $70 for about 500 of them. We also ordered these really cool square business cards that we ended up using as jewelry card holders for our earrings and our necklaces. Lastly, we ordered branded packing tape from a company called Sticker Mule. And what was really cool about this packing tape is that all you had to do was wet the backing with a sponge and you can stick it directly onto your boxes. We also uploaded our design from Canva directly onto the Sticker Mule website. I hope you guys are able to follow us along this journey. We have a lot more tips and tricks for you guys.
One of the most important things I ever learned from any of my art internships was if you sell products, to have really great packaging. I sell handmade earrings, and each of them comes with a handwritten note, matching packaging, and it's just
Hey TikTok, this is my mom. She's been trying to kickstart her t-shirt business, so I convinced her to get a TikTok page. And I really want to help, so if you guys could share a copy link, signal boost for the algorithm, get it on the For You page, and hopefully surprise her.
A day in the life of a small business owner. Started off the day with a shower, and then I had to take some packages I worked on last night to the post office. Next stop is to pick up some fresh flowers from my grandmother. I do this every Sunday, that way she'll have some fresh ones for the week. Also so I can see her beautiful face. This is my mom, she's a florist, so I asked her if she could arrange them for me. There's the love of my life, beautiful and happy as ever. Next stop is Starbucks. It's Sunday, so I paid for the car behind me, and I met the best worker ever, like she was amazing.
All right, business owners, show us where your packaging stuff is from. Let's help people out. Some people are starting off the way we were starting off at one point. So let's show them in the right direction. Show them where you get your packaging stuff from and show some love.
Hi guys, today we're making lip gloss. These are going to be 2 new shades. Okay, so here we're going to start with our bowl. This is the company of Versagel that we're using, No Problema. You can find them on Etsy or there. We're gonna put half of this in. I've done this a lot, so I usually just eye it. This is coconut oil. And you're gonna mix this. Now I'm gonna add some vitamin E, and that just helps with moisture to your lips. Okay, now that that's mixed around, I usually check the consistency by doing this. And that's about how I like it. Here's the mica we're gonna add. So it's kind of hard to show the mixing process, but this is the color. It's like a gold. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go to part 2.
Let's pack up 2 more crayon name sets. So this first one is for a child named John, and John is getting turtles. And then this one is for a child named Izzy, and Izzy is getting unicorns. I always put them in the box first for spacing, then plastic wrap, and then I put bubble wrap and the lid.
Hey everybody! Today I am cutting the neon soap from yesterday, and the name that I picked out of all of your suggestions was Rainbow Bright. It was the name I saw the most in the comments, and it was actually the name that I first thought of when I saw the soap, but I didn't know if the connection would be made for everybody else, so I was really happy to see that it was a highly suggested name. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am cutting off custom orders for the remainder of the year because I've gotten so many that I need to cap them eventually. So if you do want a custom order, keep in mind that I do not do custom orders for 1 or 2 bars. It needs to be a minimum of at least 6 bars for the time and resources that I have to put into it. And yeah, today is the last day. So if you want one done, please shoot me a message on Etsy and I can give you a quote. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product. Yes, I know they're just toys. This is also one of my favorite products. These are my newest products. Also a new product.
Hi there, my name is Ari, and I'm the owner of Otaku Creations. I'm a small business looking to launch very soon. At the current moment, I'm looking forward to launching some pretty cool earrings that I made. Feel free to drop a follow for more. Thank you!